First one was the Canadian furniture. That was the initial sign that was acquired. Our most recent sign that's on the wall now is the Edmonton Neon Sign, which is a replica sign of an original sign from that sign company that just celebrated its 70th anniversary last year. Well, all of the signs are from local businesses or companies that have been in Edmonton for a long time and are sort of kind of viewed as public art pieces almost. We don't purchase them, they have to be donated to the city, and we take ownership of them after that. We also wanted a location that was visible to the public and one that would contribute to downtown revitalization, and so near existing businesses as a draw for people to come. The TELUS phone company was approached and they agreed to have the sign frame installed on their building to support the museum. February 2014, we had the signs put on the wall, and that really captured people's attention. For each sign, we develop an interpretive plaque that gives a bit of background on the sign. We try to focus on the history of the sign itself, when it was made, who made it, and then a little bit about the company history, if we can find that out, or significant people associated with that business. People have an attachment to them and they remember them, they're landmarks, they're icons. People have a real connection to them and fond memories of signs from the past.
Mike's News. Mike's News is where I used to go when I was a kid to buy concert tickets back before there was Ticketmaster or anything like that.
They're representative of a bygone era where most cities like Edmonton and others would have had lots of these neon signs around.
I get to see all of this because I live so close. It's really meaningful to me.
It's the first of its kind in Canada, and it's 100% free, 100% of the time. It's open to the public at all times. This is considered a public art installation by the city.
Well, seeing the sign here shows that there is a respect for the past.
It's been so well received that it's starting to become a bit of an icon of Edmonton in and of itself.
It's the place to be, it really is.
Where do we want to go in terms of telling stories, and which ones should we stay away from and which ones do we kind of use as a learning moment type of thing. So we've had to start thinking about that a little bit more as some of these have come in. I get probably 3 or 4 calls a week from people either saying, saw it for the first time, it's fantastic, or have you ever thought about this sign, or have you thought about that sign, and things like that. So it's been a very positive experience.